Hello and welcome to Sci's Science Shorts. This episode will be Sci, the Force of Nature. Of course, I'm Lydia King. As we go through the story, be sure that you're paying attention. You'll need to know the important terms so that we can talk about them in class. I hope you're ready, so let's go. Sci is a 6-year-old miniature schnauzer and a complete disaster. His favorite thing to do is run through the house. The house has no carpet, so when running from one side of the house, he will often slide into the couch. I want to calculate the amount of force he uses to run around the house. The lack of carpet lowers the amount of friction. Frictional force is a force that acts in the opposite direction of motion. A force is a push or pull of an object that changes its amount of movement. To calculate the amount of force Sci uses as he runs around the house, I will need to use the formula for force, which would be F equals ma. Sci weighs 14 pounds. In order to plug this into the formula, I will need to convert pounds to kilograms. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. 14 pounds is equal to approximately 6.4 kilograms. He has an acceleration of about 4 meters per second. I can now do the math. My formula is F equals ma. I will need to substitute in the m and the a, which are in bold in my problem. So my m equals 6.4 kilograms and a equals 4 meters per second. So F equals 6.4 times 4, which equals 25.6 newtons. Remember, force is always going to be in newtons. Sci's amount of force is 25.6 newtons. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. And as always, remember to smile.